Hey folks, how you doing? Hopefully you're all having a great day today. I've got a limited merch run. See this one right here? This is one of the designs. Nailed it. How many of you have done that before? Ouch. North Mississippi, where I'm at, is primarily furniture industry. And during the furniture assembly process is the frame crew. You're on the frame line. You're building frames for furniture with big, long, massive staples. And a lot of the times you'll see somebody shoot their finger and then complete the frame with a staple going through their finger like it's no big deal. Get the frame done and then go take care of the staple and then get back to work. Anyway, I've got a little bit of a memory because of that and where I used to work. So this is design one. There's no numbers. That's just the first one I'm showing you. Nailed it. Let me show you another one. I had to get a little box to stand on for this one. This is the second design. Congrats. You found a stud. I love this one. My wife loves this one, so I got it in a coffee cup too. So we have coffee mugs. Congrats. You found a stud. Let me show you the next one. You guys remember Cruisin' USA? The video game was an arcade game, and then I think it was, Nintendo 64? Cruisin' USA. That's ringing a bell. Anyway, Curfin' USA. The hills here, that's saw curves. I like that one. This one's probably my favorite. It's got all the router bits on it. Well, not all of them, but it's got a bunch of router bits, and it says, every little bit helps. I got this one on a coffee mug, too. Every little bit helps. And, of course, we have some full logo offerings, right? So the full logo on a hoodie, got the icon only on a long sleeve. Both of these my wife already confiscated and has actually worn several times before I could make this video. There's some cat hair on them. Yours won't have cat hair like mine. If you're interested in any of this stuff, I'll have a link in the description. You can check it out. Coffee mugs and other stuff as well. Thank you for your support. You guys take care. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.